Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland.
This is my Diwali special recipe.
Chivda. So this is super easy, super tasty flattened rice chivda recipe. Just a perfect snack for Diwali along with all the sweets. So I hope you like this recipe. And look at this. I made this 2 pounds of chivda in literally half an hour. It's super crunchy, super tasty recipe. And let's get started with the video.
I'm taking 2 pounds of flattened rice, poha thin. Strain the thin poha a couple of times, just like this. Time to dry roast the poha, just to get that crunchy, nice texture to the poha. And the crunchy pohas are ready after 10-15 minutes. So let's get started. We are using oil, hing, Asafetida, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, turmeric, and this is dry coconut, cashews, gram, chickpeas, some peanuts, green chilies and curry leaves, salt to taste, and powdered sugar. In a big vessel, add about 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, we will be adding mustard seeds. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of mustard seeds. Let them crackle a bit. Then you can add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. And it's time to add green chilies and curry leaves. I'm adding about 7 to 8 green chilies, cut it in half, and curry leaves about 8 to 10. Okay, after this we will be adding all the dry ingredients: cashew nuts, coconut, peanuts, and split gram chickpeas. Let's give that a good mix. I've added half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and asafetida, and I'm adding 1.5 teaspoon of salt, or salt as per your taste. Time to add coriander and cumin powder, just 1 tablespoon. Also add 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Gives beautiful flavor to the chivda along with the coriander and cumin powder. So make sure you add both the ingredients in this chivda. Give that a good mix. Let all the spices mix together along with the peanuts and all other items that we put. Now it's time to add our roasted thin poha, which is flattened rice. Keep mixing until you see all the spices and turmeric is all well combined. And our chivda is ready, spicy and instantly made
Before that, let
Chivda.
me show you how crunchy this is. If you can hear that, nice and crunchy. Look at that. It's gonna be super fun enjoying this with other sweet items. And here you go. Isn't that quick and easy? So this is my super easy and tasty chivda recipe. This is a namkeen or a snack. We especially make it during Diwali time, and this is good for any tea time, as a tea time snack as well. So I hope you like this recipe, and going to give it a try at your home, and share your feedback, comments, and please like the video. And if you have not subscribed yet, consider subscribing. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.